In the heart of ancient China, a captivating mystery lies buried beneath millennia of earth and legend. This mystery has fascinated explorers, historians, and archaeologists for centuries. A sealed tomb, untouched for over 2,000 years, guards the secrets of a dynasty that unified a fractured land. This dynasty laid the foundation for modern China. The legacy of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, a ruler whose name still resonates with power and ambition, remains shrouded in enigma. His final resting place is a sprawling subterranean complex. This complex is a testament to his obsession with immortality, and his desire to rule even in death. As the world watches, scientists and historians continue to unravel the secrets of this archaeological wonder. They piece together clues from artifacts, ancient texts, and cutting-edge technology. Qin Shi Huang, born Yingzheng in 259 BC, inherited the throne of the Qin state at the tender age of 13. His early reign was marked by political instability. However, with the guidance of his shrewd advisor Li Si and the military genius of General Wang Jian, he consolidated power. By 221 BC, he had conquered 6 rival states: Han, Zhao, Yan, Wei, Chu, and Qi. This ended centuries of warfare known as the Warring States period. He declared himself the first emperor of China. Qin Shi Huang abolished feudalism, centralized authority, and implemented sweeping reforms. His vision extended beyond conquest. He aimed to unify China's fragmented regions. He standardized writing systems, currencies, weights, and laws. This created a cohesive administrative framework. He ordered the construction of a vast network of roads and canals. These linked distant provinces and boosted trade. His most iconic project, the Great Wall of China, was built by connecting and reinforcing existing walls. This was to fend off northern nomadic tribes. While these achievements solidified his legacy, they came at a cost. Forced labor, heavy taxes, and brutal punishments fueled widespread resentment among the people. In 1974, farmers digging a well near Xi'an stumbled upon one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, the Terracotta Army. This subterranean army was crafted to protect Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. It comprises over 8,000 life-sized soldiers, 130 chariots, 520 horses, and 150 cavalry units. Each figure is unique, with distinct facial features, hairstyles, and armor. This reflects the diversity of the Qin dynasty's military. The soldiers include infantrymen, archers, generals, and charioteers, standing in battle formation. Their weapons, including crossbows, spears, and swords, remain sharp after millennia. The craftsmanship reveals astonishing detail. Soldiers' armor includes rivets and plates, while their hairstyles denote rank. For example, generals wore intricate double knots, while lower-ranking soldiers sported simple top knots. The figures were created using an assembly line process. Artisans molded legs, torsos, arms, and heads separately before assembling and painting them. Remarkably, traces of pigment suggest the statues were once vividly colored. However, exposure to air caused rapid fading. The Terracotta Army was only the tip of the iceberg. The mausoleum complex spans 56 square kilometers, with the emperor's burial mound at its center. Ancient texts describe rivers of Mercury, palaces filled with treasures, and booby traps designed to deter tomb raiders. Yet, much of the site remains unexplored, guarded by both physical barriers and cultural reverence. The mausoleum, a subterranean empire, is more than a tomb. It is a replica of his empire designed to serve him in the afterlife. According to historian Sima Chen, in his records of the Grand Historian, the tomb's ceiling mimics the night sky. Pearls and gemstones represent stars, while the floor maps China's geography, complete with flowing Mercury rivers. Modern tests confirm abnormally high mercury levels in the soil, lending credibility to these ancient accounts. The construction of the mausoleum required 700,000 laborers over 38 years. Many workers were conscripts, prisoners, or artisans forced into service. Legends claim they were silenced to protect the tomb's secrets. However, evidence suggests most died from exhaustion or accidents. The project's scale reflects Qin's obsession with immortality. This theme echoes in his lifelong pursuit of an elixir of eternal life, which ironically contained mercury and other toxins. In 1980, archaeologists uncovered 2 bronze chariots near the terracotta army. These half-size replicas, pulled by 4 horses, showcase the dynasty's metallurgical prowess. The first chariot, a high chariot for battle, features a canopy shielding occupants from arrows. The second, a low chariot for leisure, boasts ornate decorations and intricate details like flexible reins and working windows. Made of over 3,000 components, the chariots were cast using lost wax techniques and adorned with gold and silver inlays. These chariots symbolize Qin's dual role as warrior and statesman. They were meant to transport him through the afterlife, ensuring his dominance in both spiritual and earthly realms. The precision of their construction, down to the horse's musculature and the charioteer's expressions, reveals a society advanced in art, engineering, and symbolism. The use of Mercury in the tomb is both fascinating and perilous. In ancient China, Mercury was linked to alchemy and immortality. It was believed to transform base metals into gold and grant eternal life. Qin's Mercury rivers, representing the Yangtze and Yellow rivers, were a literal and metaphorical attempt to control the cosmos. However, exposure to mercury vapor likely contributed to the emperor's death at age 49, highlighting the irony of his quest. The tomb's design also reflects astronomical beliefs. The pearl-studded ceiling aligns with constellations, while the Mercury rivers mirror the Milky Way. This cosmic blueprint aimed to position Qin as a divine ruler, bridging heaven and earth. Yet, the toxic environment within the tomb has deterred full-scale excavation, leaving its deepest secrets intact. The terracotta army and mausoleum have transformed our understanding of ancient China. They reveal a society capable of large-scale organization, artistic innovation, and technological sophistication. However, they also expose the human cost of Qin's ambition. Forced labor, censorship, and tyranny were rampant during his reign. Today, the site faces challenges. Exposure to humidity and pollution threatens the terracotta army's preservation. This has prompted efforts to develop advanced conservation techniques. Meanwhile, debates rage over whether to excavate the central tomb. Some argue it could unlock historical mysteries, while others warn of irreparable damage or ethical violations. The eternal Emperor Qin Shi Huang's tomb remains one of history's greatest enigmas. It is a monument to human ambition and the fleeting nature of power. Its buried treasures whisper of a ruler who sought to conquer death itself yet succumbed to the very forces he tried to harness. As science advances, we inch closer to unveiling the tomb's secrets. However, its true legacy lies in the stories it tells of innovation, tyranny, and the timeless desire to leave a mark on the world. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.